Hi there, this is Matt Scalise, Doctor of Physical Therapy, McKenzie Spine Rehab Specialist, and Orthopedic Certified Specialist. So the scenario is this: you have low back pain, you find sitting to be a tremendous challenge, and getting comfortable while sitting at work or at your house is next to impossible. Sound familiar? Well, the purpose of this video is to give you some suggestions on how to overcome this challenge. So let's get started. So my first recommendation would be to avoid sitting for an excessive amount of time on the front portion of the chair. Now, while sitting there for a brief amount of time may be considered an exercise for your back muscles, sitting too long activates the muscles for too long a period of time, placing extra stress on your low back. Rather, I recommend sitting all the way towards the back of the chair. Not the back third, but completely towards the back. Allow the support of the chair to comfort and protect your low back. For those of you that are vertically challenged, we recommend having your feet rest on some sort of a prop, a stool, a few books. Allowing your feet to dangle for an excessive amount of time actually activates muscles on the front portion of your hip, which over time leads to extra strain being placed on your low back. Another recommendation would be to avoid chairs that have an excessive gap between the back of the chair and the seat of the chair. Too excessive a gap would set up an opportunity where your spine would follow the path of least resistance and end up slouching into that chair. Another recommendation would be, if you have the ability to control the height of your chair, is to arrange it in a way so that your hips are at the same level as your knees or slightly above. This will allow your spine to be in a more optimal position. For tall with poor fitting chairs, if your hips end up being below your knees, that gives your spine too great an opportunity to end up slouching. To wrap things up, let's think about those chairs that we are consistently either painful while sitting in them or very painful and stiff getting out of them. In those specific chairs, it probably would be best to use some support of a lumbar pillow, a rolled up towel, some type of cushion in the small of your back to offer additional support, more support than you're getting from that terrible chair. So to use a lumbar support the right way, we recommend sitting completely towards the back of the chair. Not the back third, but completely towards the back of the chair. Once you're there, lean forward just enough so that you could put the pillow in the nook of your low back, the small of your low back, right in the belt line area. Once you're there, allow your upper body to gently nestle over the top of it. Once again, this is Matt Scalise, Doctor of Physical Therapy, speaking on behalf of the Global Exercise Group.